Hey, how's it going? We're teaching you how to make drop lights, Edison bulbs, for your backyard. Make it cool for your patio, your next dinner party. First, we're starting with just a standard old flower pot. These came with the property actually, so you can spray paint those and make them sharp. Got a couple there in the background that are just look brand new, but they're just old flower pots. Next, you're gonna want to get a couple of 4x4s. We get them treated. This is a 4x4, it's 8 foot long. And you can get those green treated or pressure treated that look nice and stained. So the next part of this is what we're doing is we're building a base. And this base is going to hold the pole vertical into the flower pot. So I just built a couple of kickers here to hold it up. And basically I just did some quick measurements to see how it would fit in this flower pot. Now it's nice and sturdy, empty flower pot. Yeah. Hey, we just used an app actually off of the phone to get this vertical, and we've got our kickers in the pot so they're holding it strong. And then all we do is a 50-pound bag of Quickcrete, just like so. Wear a mask. And so after you put the Quickcrete in, you'll just add some water. And we'll do that shortly, and then we're going to put our hooks in and string up these lights. Now we're going to pre-drill our holes, and we're going to insert these J hooks, and this is going to be what actually holds our light. So as you can see, we just had a standard patio up here, and we wanted to light it. So this is just a simple way of lighting your patio without having to put posts in the ground, without having to put in post hole diggers. Get it all set up that way, nice and simple. And we did this whole project. The lights were the most important, most expensive part probably. I think we spent $75 on these Edison bulbs. And here in just a moment we'll get a shot of that. But poles were $9 each, old flower pot, scrap wood. You could essentially do this whole project for $100 with 75 feet of lights. And should be nice. We'll get some shots here in a little bit of this evening when we have it all lit up. So we hung the lights up, plugged them in here to the wall, installed all the bulbs. We picked up these lights off Amazon. They're about $25 for every 25-foot section. And we're running it now to the poles that we just assembled. We put our Quickcrete in. You can get a shot in here. You can see the wooden framework. And we just poured water on top of the Quickcrete. That will cure. It just takes time. You don't even have to mix it. So that's the beauty of Quickcrete. And then we're just going to come over the top and we're going to build up our dirt. We're going to build up a bed, and we're actually going to plant flowers in these boxes. And yeah, they're going to be nice and pretty. So we'll get some more dirt. We'll have some beautiful flowers, and we'll show you the app. So now we've ran our Edison bulbs. We have our pole set. We're going to backfill this with soil, plant some flowers in the base of these pots, and you have this outdoor dining area. And we're all set, and you can check out my other video. I'll have a short video talking about the fluorescent lighting around the base of the deck. So yeah, make your backyard pop for not too much money. So thanks for checking us out.